He's down.
Spread right, they'll take longer to get up than we will have to get down quick.
Hey guys and girls, today you join me at Spec Ops, which is one of Ireland's coolest airsoft sites. And Norbert himself will be playing on this exact site on the 27th of July. It's going to be a huge event with over 500 players attending. Today you're going to see some action-packed gameplay. I'll be rocking my Block Tactical eyewear, which are the best in the business when it comes to anti-fog. If you want to pick up a pair, use my promo code FOX10 to get a 5% discount. Now let's get into this gameplay. Today I'm going to be using my Norbert SSR4 with LVPO scope, a pretty simple setup. I'll also be using my SSB5 with green gas mags as my secondary. So in today's game you'll be joining me on a team deathmatch where the whole field is open to hunt our enemies. The goal is to capture as many buildings as possible, and the team that occupies most of them at the end of the game wins.
Go upstairs.
Kill time now, yeah?
In the first few seconds we managed to capture the church, but decided to push on towards the brand new CQB village as no enemies are about.
That came from friendly.
Friendly in there. As I've never played the CQB village before, I take my time navigating through the windy corridors. Friendly.
He's down there.
How far down? Is he right around the corner?
No, it's further.
Looks like my teammate can't get past this point. There's some enemies around this corner. Let's see if we can deal with them. That sorted one of them at least. It looks like there's one more left to go. Now it's clear to push up. I wave to my teammates so I don't get friendly fired upon. Sorry, friendly. Keep going that way. Keep going that way. Unfortunately I get taken out because I didn't clear my six when I ran up to this position. That bunker there, is that Huey? Had they taken it the last time?
Yeah, they got it.
A little later I get back into the gameplay, and this time I try and push the left hand side of the map. There's an enemy bunker up ahead which we need to take back. My SSR4 makes light work of these enemies. Check this out for pinpoint accuracy. This gun is like a semi-automatic sniper rifle. Yep. He's down. Wait. He's down. Got his elbow. With the area around the bunker clear, we decide to push south of the CQB village. Enemy? Doesn't take long before I encounter more enemies. He's down. Nice one. Good spot.
I saw him earlier and ran backwards.
Oh, hold on. Down.
You down?
Yeah.
Woo!
I just love how crazy accurate this pistol is. Our team just continued to comb through the areas. Where is he, guys? To take as much. Oh, whoa, whoa. He's down. Got one. Friendly? In the hut? Friendly? Yeah, friendly. I was so close to shooting that guy. Luckily I waited till I identified which team he was on. He's down. This is such a massive map, but there's so much to see here. And with over 250 people playing here, there's action around every single corner.
Hi, friend.
Hey buddy, there's one down there somewhere. I think he's hiding. Close, yeah?
Yeah, he's on this pile.
Yeah.
Right behind tall cover.
Yeah, he's behind that tall one, yeah.
Bushes.
One down there. Okay. Something over.
Oh, you nearly shot me, you prick.
Who, me? Yeah. Oh shit. Guy down there with the right shoe. Oh, what a shot. That guy got super lucky and narrowly missed him. However, he pulls off a miracle shot and nails me. Back in the game, I decide to skirt the edge of the map to push down as far as I can into enemy territory. Have you eyes on?
Yeah, just make sure nobody's
Okay. I'm gonna keep pushing. There seems to be enemies lurking up ahead. I decide to push up on my own at first. Seeing a lot of movement up ahead, I decide to gather some extra support to see if we can push these enemies back. Otherwise, they may take this area from us. Guys, it's the left-hand side they're killing us on. They're hidden in by that f***ing ditch. If we can spare one or two of you. The left-hand side over here, Jonathan. They're dug in on this left-hand ditch. See, there's not many of them. They're not pushing, but they're stuck in there. There's a head in the ditch.
No, red right there. On the tree, right here.
Okay, okay, yeah. He's making a push. I think we need to give him a hand though. A guy on your right hand side, he's down. Push it. Oh, watch it, another guy in there. Dead. Unlucky, I get shot by a guy that I thought was on my own team. Bad call by me. Back from respawn a few moments later, my team is still trying to take this area. Pile.
Wall and then slightly.
The team have now pushed up a lot closer. There's a guy there. I don't know if he's with us or against us. His head, I could take it off right now. And I wait till I can see an armband. Oh, I can nail him. I'm gonna shoot him.
Oh yeah, I see. Yeah, no, he was the other.
Yeah, he's done. Luckily, he wasn't with us. That was a guess. I use the trench system as this will allow me to get closer to the enemies unnoticed. It looks like I got some support too. Keep your head down now. Keep yourself up.
To the right.
The enemies are advancing towards us.
Got him.
Fought a f***ing shot, buddy. 303. Nice.
Love it.
I didn't even try and shoot him. I thought I wouldn't get him. And you just pinged him. Two coming this way. He's down. Ouch, that's gotta hurt right in the ear. I see them moving everywhere.
Ooh. I'll get down to the ditch.
I just love how accurate this rifle is.
He's down.
Stay tuned for part 2 where you see me take out nearly 100 enemies in a short period of time. It's not to be missed. Thanks for watching and don't forget to like, subscribe and leave a comment if you enjoyed this video.